here to truly witness how beautiful Palots Beach Resort. Tara na!
Ipanumpa kong ditikabian ug pagahuktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong digyo ko mubuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanimo lang. Kanimo lang.
Many people visit these resorts because they have a comfortable living and also they have a comfortable cottage and they have a fresh air. So many people are visiting these resorts. So let's go visit this resort.
Sang pitulog ko magduha-duha og tikang kung mahulog ka andam kung mahulog uban di sana sa tadadon nining panahon. Ipanumpa kong ditikabian o pagahuktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong
To resort, you can visit Pilot Beach Resort. Here, you can make unforgettable moments with your family and friends.
Ako ang dalangpan, ako imong tamis.